Welcome back to Quantify Your Career. And today, let's answer what do quant interviews really test and how to prepare for them. When you hear quant finance interviews, what do you think? It's mostly brain melting math puzzles, right? But that's only the surface. Yes, in the interviews, you will be asked probability, statistics, optimization, and stochastic calculus. But that's not the only thing they ask for. They look for how you solve under uncertainty, debug codes under pressure, or solve messy problems and clean the data set.
So here's how it shows up in interviews. First, estimation type questions. For example, they might ask you how many simulations do you think you'll need for performing the Monte Carlo? And they're not looking for an exact answer. So look for frameworks and assumptions. That's what you'll need to work on. Second type of question can be debugging Python code. So they might give you a broken Python code or ask you about data cleaning and how would you approach that. So work on that a little bit. And third is open-ended questions. So for example, they might ask you to value a derivative without giving any data. So it's not just a formula you have to memorize. You'll have to talk about what assumptions you might use to value a product. So how do you prepare? You should shift your focus from memorizing to frameworks. For example, for math, you talk about here's my assumption, here's my approach, and here's my checking or testing. For coding, write your own unit tests to check your own code and do a lot of data cleaning. For open questions, even if you don't have clarity, you show an outline and go through a 3-step outline to explain the logic and structure. So here's where most candidates might not do well. Not because they lack math, but they lack clarity. And sometimes silence in interviews might not communicate your logic and thinking to the interviewer. So keep talking through your logic and structure while thinking. So yes, you should know your formulae, but that's not all. The real test is how you handle ambiguity, how you debug or code under pressure, and how you can explain not like a text. And that's how you'll get hired.